This is a message from the United States Department of Defense and an undisclosed organization. Please pay attention to this alert. Please pay close attention as the following instructions might be vital to your survival. Updates will be given at the top of every hour. We ask you to stay indoors and block all natural light. Due to an event of unknown origin, an estimated 6.8 billion casualties has occurred within the first 30 minutes of activation. Any living organism that went outside and had contact with the sun melted into unknown creatures that are extremely hostile to all living organisms. Due to the nature of this event, all civilians not exposed to the sunlight are advised to seek immediate shelter at this time. Follow these instructions as they might save your life. Stay away from the sun at all times. Stay away from anyone exposed to the sunlight. Cut off all ties with loved ones who were exposed to the sunlight. Do not travel outdoors on foot. We will try to stay on the air as long as possible. The president has been taken to a safe location, and will speak on all stations shortly. Please tune your radios or TVs to stations serving your
Go outside. Do not listen to them. The sun is safe. Go outside, it won't harm you.
USA cable has temporarily disconnected due to a national emergency. Please tune now into USA Cable Emergency Channel 456, which is providing emergency information and news for your area at the moment. USA Cable has temporarily disconnected due to a national emergency. Please tune now into USA Cable Emergency Channel 456, which is providing emergency information and news for your area at the moment.